Learn about the Azure Architecture Center in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. Your one-stop shop for all things architecture in Azure is the Azure Architecture Center. It is a collection of resources on Microsoft Docs. Let's explore it. This is the overview of the Azure Architecture Center. From here I can browse architectures, explore best practices, optimize my workload and more. I can also browse more articles and many sample architectures. Alright, let's browse some Azure architectures. From here I can see many sample architectures from many scenarios, like this one. This takes me through the architecture for AI at the edge in Azure Stack and tells me about how data would flow and which components it contains. There are so many sample architectures. There's bound to be one for your scenario. Like here, architectures for web applications. Let's look at this one. This contains detailed guidance and recommendations. And it even lets you deploy the sample to Azure. Cool! And there is more. The Architecture Center also contains icons. You can download these for free and use them in your architecture designs. Alright, there's also the Application Architecture Guide. This is a complete guide that tells you how to design an application for the cloud. It is really comprehensive. And on top of that is the Azure Well-Architected Framework. You can use this framework to improve and optimize a workload. The framework takes you through the pillars of cost optimization, operational excellence, performance efficiency, reliability, and security. The center also contains design patterns for the cloud. These are solutions to well-known problems. You can use them as recipes for your solutions. And finally, you can use assessments to assess your architecture. You can create an assessment that caters to your needs and you can take it by answering questions about your design. The Azure Architecture Center is an incredible resource for architecture guidance. Go and check it out.